Hello, welcome to my channel Knitting, Crochet and Stitching. Today we will make a very beautiful French braid stitch. I have taken stitches multiples of 6 plus 2 stitches extra. Let's start making this braid. Slip 1, purl 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, twist first stitch to left needle, slip 1, slip 1 and knit this. Now first pattern is complete. Now again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, twist first stitch to left, slip the stitch and knit 1. Second pattern is complete. Purl 3. You can make this braid as a decorative stitch in any other design. I have only made the braid by keeping 3 purl stitches. You can make this braid as a decorative stitch between any other pattern, or it can be used as a border. It looks very beautiful in border. Knit 1, twist stitch to left side, slip the stitch and knit 1. Purl 3 stitches, knit 1, twist first stitch to left, slip 1, knit 1, and last 3 purls and 1 edge stitch. We have completed first row of our pattern. This pattern is only of 2 rows. Now second row, wrong side, slip 1, knit 3, purl 1, twist first stitch to left and slip 1 and purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, twist stitches first stitch to left side, slip 1, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, twist the stitches. Slip 1, purl 1, again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, first stitch to left from front, slip 1, purl 1, knit 3. This pattern is only 2-row pattern. Last 3 stitches, knit 3, purl 1. Now our 2 rows are completed and our pattern is complete. Now repeat the pattern again from the first row. Purl 3, knit 1, twist to right, twist to left, slip this one and knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, twist to right, slip 1, knit 1, and repeat the whole row. Now I have completed the pattern. It looks like this from the front side. I have made another pattern in a wool of light color so that it can be visible more clearly. Again on this pattern so that it is visible on the light color. The visibility is clear on this light color. I am doing row 1. repeal, knit 1, twist to right, left, twist to left, slip 1, knit 1 and repeat the pattern. This pattern can be used as a border for ladies jacket, gents sweater, baby sweater, and this can be used on the muffler as well. Now compare the two patterns in different shades. It looks very beautiful in light shade as well. Please like and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.